welcome back to another Lightroom tutorial, and today we're going to do a Kathryn Bernardo inspired look. I was browsing Kathryn Bernardo's Instagram feeds and I could see that she's using the very trendy peachy medium brown tone. So what I have here are 3 photos that are taken by my friends when they had their vacation in Sipalay. So as you can see, it's overexposed or the clouds are very blown out, so we need to recover that. Every photo is having issues with exposure, so we need to do our corrections first before we're going to apply the Kathryn Bernardo Lightroom preset. that covers everything for this tutorial. I hope you like my Kathryn Bernardo preset. If you do, please do like this video and please put your comments if you have some questions for this preset. Of course, this preset is completely free for you to download. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be releasing more Lightroom mobile presets and desktop presets for you to use. Once again, this is Nick. Subscribe.